Hey Colby, sorry I haven't been as prepared these last two. I'm just gonna try to dive in, then we can figure it out on the way. You'll complete part 2 with your group at completion. Oh, I gotta open up that crocodile data. I feel like I download the same file all the time. I know I already pulled that up, but let's download it again. Do you know how to figure out the equation through SPSS?
Sorry, what was that?
I saw that they had an explanation both on Excel and SPSS how to plug in that equation. Or use the computer to come up with that equation, the y equals mx plus b.
It looked
Are
like
you going to use SPSS?
Yeah, I was going to use SPSS. It looked easier anyway. I think there's just like a
I'll just pull it up.
sort of Netherlands that does it for you.
Well, they're not in Austin. I definitely not right. Sorry, I pulled up SPSS, so I'm ready to go. Okay, so it says, what is the explanatory value? Maybe section on the crocodiles to answer this question. So just in the lesson when it talks about this?
Sorry, what was that?
I was just reading the explanatory value, and then it says to go back to the lesson.
I think that is X, the independent variable.
Or the head link?
For the
The
explanatory.
explanatory. Okay. That makes sense. And then dependent is the response. And they're saying here that it's the head length.
Mm-hmm.
And then body length. And just do a graph. So the x-axis is the head,
Mm-hmm.
and the y-axis is body length. So mine looks like it is pretty linear for positive. I mean, it is linear with like a positive strong correlation.
Yeah, it looks linear. What did you get for the coefficients?
I was trying to do the y-intercept. How do you compute that?
So you go to regression, you go to analyze, and down to regression, and then you go over to
Oh, come on. Linear. Awesome. Okay, so dependent. Oops.
Did you get negative 18.274 for the constant?
I think so. It's just okay, what did you get? Because mine looks a little different.
So for the constant, I got
Come on.
What?
Sorry, I was talking to my computer. It's slow. Okay.
I got negative 18.27.
Yeah, I got. Okay. And this is down where it says constant, right? And then
Yeah.
it has unstandardized coefficients. So mine I got negative 69.369. But I did head size. Let me make sure I put it in right. Just out of, well, I bet that's off. Sorry, my computer is being slow and it has been so slow in the past. Okay, so independent is the head size, and dependent is the body size. And there's nothing else that we switch on here, right? We don't have to switch like a...
Yeah, I don't think you have to switch it or anything.
Yeah, there's no confidence interval or... You know what, though? I did copy it over from Excel, so that could be it again. Just out of curiosity, what was your R for the line?
7.660.
Just up all around. Hold up. What does the answer sheet say? Do you have that by chance?
Yeah, I can pull it up. So it
And then I'll download it.
Okay, yeah, they have negative 69.369. And slope is 7.4. That's weird.
Is that different than what you have though too?
Yeah, that's different than what I have. What I have is what they have from the book.
Huh. Well, that's still a good answer to have.
So let me see.
Okay.
Where in the book they use the modified?
What did you say?
No, I was thinking to myself, why don't they use the modified for the book?
Oh. Okay. Hold on, let me go see. I'm gonna see if I can turn off like something else that uses internet because it's unbelievably soft. Okay, hopefully this helps. Yes. Oh, it would be a little better. Sign in. We paid for the cheapest internet, so that's probably where we're just getting what I paid for. But this is still really slow.
Mhm. So you selected the dependent as body length, right?
The independent.
The dependent.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I didn't really wait. Yeah, so I had the head length as dependent. I mean independent, and the body length as dependent.
Okay. I have the same thing. It must be a difference in. I guess both of them are different. I don't know.
That's so weird. So had you done this earlier when you were reading it in the book?
No, the book it mentions the data and then it goes down and it calculates it. Now
Oh,
I
really?
got in mine I got the same thing that they got. But then on the
Uh-huh.
answer sheet, I don't know if they're just using data from the last lesson, but I don't know.
Let me see here really quick. Oh, it's working so much better. This is awesome. Okay. Linear. Let me just run this again. No, I've done it like 3 times
Probably
already.
me. Probably did it wrong.
Well, okay. So what I have? Wait, what did they get? Negative 69.37.
Yeah, it was like negative 69 something.
That's what. Okay, so that's what I got. I thought I was positive. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah. As well. Okay, yeah. So I got negative 69.4. So or 3 something. So I wonder if it's just the SPSS data or the Excel. Who knows?
Yeah. Well, so you got negative 18.
No, I'm pulling up the SPSS right now. I'm just about to download it, data. But the Excel data, I got the negative 69 stuff.
Yeah.
And I got for their, for, for the R, this isn't R like the slope.
Uh, yeah.
Kind of.
I mean,
Like,
if you call it R, then there might be confusion as to whether it's the correlation coefficient. But yeah, I know what you mean.
okay, thanks for reading my. But I had the 0.986. Is that what they had?
For the slope,
Yeah.
no, they have 7.4.
Well, then I don't know why they got that. Wait, 7.4?
Yeah, 7.4.
Okay, I think I'm looking at the 1.9. Sorry, Colby. I feel like sometimes these easy questions turn into like these ridiculously long things.
I think there's just something wrong with the data that was in
That
the
makes
file.
sense. Yeah.
Yeah, I keep on getting the same answer, so I don't know what's going on. I think I'll try using Excel, well, copying over from Excel, and see what that does.
So when they have the I want to make sure I'm reading it right. So when they give you the constant, which in the data you have is like the negative 18, right below it is considered a slope, right? 7.4.
Right below the constant.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Like, okay. So I was looking on point. I do have 7.4 as well for the
Oh.
slope. So this is Excel.
Hmm. I wonder what's going on with the SPSS files.
Yeah, that is kind of weird. And I've noticed, like, before that, I think technically your section depends on if you use Excel or not. But I feel like I think we are in the SPSS section, but our data doesn't. I mean, they often just use Excel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or have you noticed that too?
Yeah, I'm
That
just
they
pulling
use.
now. See if I get the same answer. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I keep on getting the same answer.
You know what? Did you do? That's always reassuring, huh? Did you do the other data?
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay,
how
that.
exactly are you doing it?
What'd you say?
How exactly are you doing it? So.
Well, I thought that's how you told me,
Not
but
quick.
so what I just did was well, for me, I copied and pasted the head and the body just over to SPSS from Excel, and then I went to analyze like you told me, and I did the regression, and I did not the automatic linear modeling, but the linear right underneath that.
Yeah, I did that too.
Okay. Then when I opened up, I put variable 1, which is the head sizes, into independent. Variable 2 up in dependent. And then, yeah, I don't think I opened up, I didn't change anything else, so. And then I just hit.
Let me try it the other way around, please. So.
Oh, just open up the wrong thing again.
Let me see. Maybe I can do a screencast.
Yeah, do you want to see what mine looks like? Or what's the screencast? Sorry.
Okay, so let's see. So I put head length into there.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Okay. So did that.
Okay.
And I got that.
Okay, I honestly just think it's got to be the SPSS data because
This thing I copied it over.
you copied it over from Excel.
Yeah.
So show me where you have it in the data. Then we just go back to where it's
Okay. So that's that I have. That's right there. It's 28 data points each.
Okay, so what I have is only 18 data points.
Really?
Yeah. Let me
Because
show you what I have. You have the crocodile one, right? I mean, I'm sure there's nothing else with body in the head link.
yeah. I
Oh,
mean,
I don't have a picture, but I'm trying to. There we go. Okay, so do you see the data I have right here? So it just has head length and body length. And that's it. Look on the weird, huh?
let's see.
Well, at least we know that that would be it where there's 20 points and not.
I was going to show you the Excel sheet that I had.
Yeah, let me know when you pull it up. I just clicked off the. Let's see. Oh. Okay, I see the file that they have you download, the modified one.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, did you not use the modified one?
I just pulled up the old. I just saw that it was the crocodile, and I just typed in the website that gives you, all the Excel sheets to download, and I clicked on the crocodile.
Oh man, it's just the wrong one. Oh, okay, yeah, I did use the wrong one. Yeah, that's the problem.
But I mean that's pretty misleading because it also tells you to refer to the lesson for the crocodile information. So.
Yeah, I think that's what got me all confused. So.
Oh man. Okay, well at least we figured out that, and then I'm gonna make sure this is safe. Okay, well I'm glad we figured that out. We would have been so confused forever.
So what was the value for the constant?
So it was -69. -69.369.
The constant was like 7.4, right?
Mm-hmm. And what is that one called again? Oh,
you have the slope?
it's not the slope. What is the 7.4? It's the. I guess. Oh, that is the slope of the regression line.
Yeah, I can't think of anything else other than slope.
I guess in my head I was thinking that slope couldn't be over 1, but that's just r, right? R can't ever be greater or less than 1.
Well, it can be -1 to 1.
1. Oh, yeah. Okay. That was why I was like, wait, how could slope be 7? Okay, next question. Use the software to compute the regression line for this data. What is the equation of the regression line? Do we already have that, though, computed from what we have entered here?
Yes. Oh.
It would be y equals 7.4x plus, I guess.
69. 7.4x. Okay. For to draw the regression line of the scatter plot, insert a picture of the scatter plot with the graph.
Do you do that in the same regression linear, or do you just do it through a scatter plot and have it different?
I don't know. I can let's see. Here we go.
Oh, you're guys.
I'm gonna use a little
I
window.
didn't see it in the regression or the analyzers. So the elements.
The instructions say to like make a scatter plot and then click on it. Then you go to there's like this drop down menu.
There's a scatter plot. Okay.
Oh.
So seven. No, no, all of them.
Man. Like so like I double click on it, but the window is so small that I can't find anything. Because like it's overlapping into nothingness.
Wait, let me see. Okay, show me that show me your screen on it.
Okay, let's see.
I was going to try
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, so like the chart editor is teeny, so you can't do anything.
It's like expanded itself and I can't find it.
You're like, I'd rather not have that happen. Is it just that little bar up there with, like, above that?
I don't know.
From like, oh yeah, that one, the third one in. Add a reference from line equation. So
Add a reference.
down, right, to the right,
That.
to the right. The bar, yeah, the bar. No, one more over there. Nope, the diagonal one.
Oh, the diagonal one.
Yeah, at least it said line equation, it said equation, which is a better sign. Oh, there's the equation.
Custom equation.
It really look like the equation. Wait, do you have to customize it? I don't know. I mean, looking down on your data, it looks like it already put it in there.
If I can see it.
Yeah. We could go back there. That is pretty large. What about the same diagonal? Oh, look at that.
Okay, I'll copy it.
Maybe it can show up on your Word document a little bit better.
Yes, it works. Horizontal line going through it, but oh well.
Oh, on mine I don't feel like it's the line of best fit.
Yeah, I don't know.
It looks like it's going. Oh.
The custom equation wasn't really the one that the program gave, so.
Oh, look. Okay. Here. Let me show you my. Oh, okay. No. Give me a second here. Okay, I'm going to try to show you my screen again. Here we go. Share. Oh, it looks like it blew up. Okay. Okay, or what? Is it blurry, Colby?
Looks fine. It looks like you have like the one I have, and then you have the correct one.
Oops, yeah, so what I did, except for I just clicked it again and it didn't work, first of all, I added what you had, and it looks like that one is just a straight line from 0. But this one, I clicked this button right here that says, what is it called, add fit line at total. And then look it has the same coefficient and the same slope. Same constant, I mean, I gotta make sure I get the words right. So anyway, I think that's what we want. But I just can't figure out how to take this guy off. So it's just gonna hang out there. Anyway, so yeah, that's how I found it. Alrighty. Moving on. Use software, so we did that for the observed head length of 51 centimeters. What was the observed body length? Look at the file to find this answer. Okay, so I got 343.
It's 343.
Yeah.
Yep. Did you find out how to make the program calculate it?
I just looked at the data sheet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess what it says.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I was actually just back on SPSS trying to figure out, like, so would my line be at the right spot? I don't know. So, okay. Look at the data sheet. So, 360. So, use the regression line routine in number 2 above to predict plot based on. Okay, so just plug it. Are we just solving for it mathematically?
I think you use the equation, the regression line, it's the linear equation to see what it would be.
Okay, so negative 69.37 plus 7.4 times 51, right?
And I got 308.031.
Okay, I got 308.
Okay, then the last question is, why are the variables you obtained at 8 and 9 different?
So 1 and
This was like it doesn't fit perfectly on every single data point, so there'll be a certain amount of error.
yeah, so 1 of best fit is created by all the data points, but it doesn't mean 1 for each data point. So it more creates like an average.
Okay. We'll take quiz.
Oh, well, I think it's zoomed up to like 200% on my computer. Oh! So it's 2 the y-intercept for the first one?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, and then 1.5 for number 4?
Yep.
So it's
The linear regression equation. What is the predicted value of y when x is equal to 16?
I got 1.
5 times 16 minus. You got 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 1. It's like 1.0.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, 1 decimal. That would be if I'm wrong. Oh. Make a scatter plot for the mass self-sufficiency data. Of the 3 data shapes introduced in the reading, which shape best describes these? Is hamburger like flat?
Huh?
Is
Oh,
the
I must. I guess it looked like a weak correlation.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. I have 139 data points, I think.
Okay, good one. Let's get it on.
What is the question? I can let them.
Score.
Oh,
Uh,
maybe 1 second.
that scatter plot looks more like hot dog shape. For half hot
Very
dog, half something else.
Yeah, I think hot dog too. Does banana just feel like a big chicken or a big slope?
Yeah, it must be like it's going down, it goes back up, maybe.
Yeah, mine's not very. It is linear. It's not very strong in the middle. So hot dog.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Explanation. Yeah, I think because it is a linear pattern.
What's that?
I said I think the biggest thing is there is a linear pattern. So
Yeah.
okay, based on the shape of the scatter plot you had this in 6, what can you say about the appropriateness of using simple linear regression to model these? Isn't simple linear regression appropriate because it is linear?
Yeah, I mean, like, it's not weakly, it's not a weak correlation. I might say it's linear. Plus, I think a few of the answers are saying, like, it's not appropriate, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
So, I kind of lean towards it being.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the, yeah, I pulled up the hot dog, hamburger, banana thing, and it just seems like, okay, as long as it's linear, then you can come back with a linear relationship. Well, I mean, you can make a relationship. Yeah, possibly.
Mm-hmm.
So it says for the number of observations. Is that just the number of data points?
Yeah. I think so.
So I had 139.
Yeah, 39 as well.
Yeah, it's nice to do group quizzes because it's simple questions. It's just nice to hear. Oh, cool. Great. Use the math efficiency data to answer these two questions. Be sure the confidence data is the explanatory value and the score is the response. Oh, I think I'd actually done it the other way around. Okay, so confidence.
You do I just did a scatter plot, but did you already do a regression? The linear.
Well, I done a regression and then I realized, oh wait, I need a scatter plot. But for both of them, I did it the other way around. So confidence is the X and score is the Y.
Let's see. Yeah, score is the Y.
Okay, well, I gotta repeat that as I switch it here.
Let's see, the score is the oh.
And actually, I'm gonna move this one out. So dependent is confidence, scores is dependent, confidence. Okay, so I got 18.559 constant.
Sorry, it cut out a little bit. What was that?
No worries, I got 18.559.
I got 18.690 for the constant.
Okay, and I want to make sure I did this right. What's your, I got 12.725 as the slope.
I got 12.695. Uh, I put as the score and the independent as the confidence rating.
Uh-huh. So I had the independent as the confidence and the dependent as the score.
That's very different then. Well, I guess they're slightly different. But,
Yeah. I just want to make sure because, hold on.
well,
I mean, yeah.
I guess it's supposed to be exact anyway, so I guess we'll both have to round up anyway.
Okay. So,
So 19 for the y-intercept.
17 for the Y, yeah, and then what do I have for?
For the slope.
Okay, then I had. What was the other one? Okay, I'm curious. So then 13 for the slope. Wait,
Oh,
it's not it's not rounding to full numbers, right? You have to put in all the decimals.
oh, that's right. It wants to be exact. Yeah. So maybe do it properly.
Okay, then I'm gonna do this.
Might
Why? Why does it have to be different? Okay.
Score is dependent. Confidence is independent.
And did you do SPSS data or Excel?
I did the SPSS.
Okay, I'm gonna pull that up. What is this called?
Huh?
What's the name of the data again?
It's like
Self.
math self FC or something like that.
Okay, that's enough to find it. Here we go. Okay, analyze, regression, and then score is dependent and independent is the confidence. Okay, for this one I got, okay, so for this one I got 18.690 and 12.695. Is that what you got?
That's what I got.
Okay, so it's just the data. That's crazy.
12.
So 8.690 and 12.695.
Yeah, 12.695 for the slope. And the predicted value 18.690 plus
Oh yeah.
times 4. So for for 11 I got 69.47.
69.47.
Mhm.
Yes. Okay, the confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? The answer should be y. Okay. We just put in 6, right?
Yeah. The largest score you can get is a 94%. 94 in your test.
Well, there you go. 94. So 94.68, right? Or 86, right?
Yeah, 94.6.
Wait, I got 94.86. Is that what you said?
Yeah, 94.86.
Okay, sorry, cut out both times. How many experiments are valued? Just one, right?
Yeah, just one explanatory, right? Yeah, there's only one independent.
Oh yeah, there's only one independent variable. There's only one dependent. How
Variable.
many? Just one, right?
Yeah, there's one
I think
dependent.
that's trying to be a trick question, and it almost got me. 139. Okay, cool. That's not too bad.
Yeah, you get.
Ooh, nice job. Okay, so I see she hasn't graded other things. I'm going to follow up on that email to make sure. It still hasn't shown up in your describe the data.
No, I don't think it has. Check.
And then Brand has to make inference.
Oh, has he not? He didn't contact you back about the project.
But let me text him.
He
I
sent
texted
me.
him to see if he's going to be here, but oh, go ahead, what?
He sent me a text. Pretty much he said he forgot. I guess his meeting was pushed up. Forgot about the meeting.
Okay. Well, I'll text him right now to say next time and that just see if he needs help with that inference thing.
Yeah.
Did we do a 95% alpha, or I mean 95% confidence level?
95? For what?
Yeah. Sorry, for the Skittle thing for the channel.
Uh, I don't know. I mean, what would be the benefits of doing 95 versus like a 99?
Um, well, I guess it's just how badly you really want to know if all the colors are equal. Because I can't think of another, other than us being more sure about our answers. I can't think of, like, it's not like if we get too wide, like, kids would lose their education or something. Like, there's no serious consequences to our Skittle account or something. I guess to me, it's just like, how confident do we want to be in it? And how, I mean, would we rather err on a type 1 or 2 error, even though it's either a yes or it isn't?
Yeah. 95 might be good enough.
Yeah, were you thinking 99? Because I don't care if we do 99, I just assume
I was
95.
well, like, well, what would be the benefits? I don't know. Probably 95 is
Yeah, I
probably
guess, like, yeah, because I guess, like, I mean, initially, if we just go over it, I guess, super quick. I think the biggest thing about the confidence interval will be like, well, if you're going to present data or research to a group, you want to be confident enough with your answer. But we don't really, I mean, it's not like we're doing it for brain surgery or something, you know what I mean? We don't have to be 100% confident. And we'd rather not rule out. And then the other thing is if you want to choose a confidence level with mind about the type 1 and type 2 errors, right? But in our case, I kind of feel like you either miss it or you don't. Like, either they're equal or they're not equal. And so, I mean, you can still create the type 1 and type 2 errors, but I feel like in my mind it's just more straightforward, you know?
so.
I don't know if that makes sense.
So was so it turned out that the mean, I guess, amount of colors in each bag were actually the same, right? I mean, on average, the amount of colors is the same.
Yeah, so the null is that they're all the same, right? And the alternative is that they're different.
Well, I think the alternative is that at least one is different.
At least one's different, yeah, that's right. So then if the confidence interval is extremely high, it's going to be more likely that the null is true almost, right? Wait.
If
No.
sorry, what was that?
So if the confidence interval is 99, sorry, I think my brain's slowing down. It's like stopping working here at midnight, but yeah, I guess, I mean, if you wanted just to be super confident, be like 99% confident that it's not, that they are equal, then we can do it at a higher one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Do you have a preference?
Not really. I guess it just. I think it makes the interval a little bigger. I think that's all it would do, right?
Yeah. To do at 95, right?
Oh, I mean, to do it 99 versus 95.
So if we do it at 99, it gets smaller, and then 95, it gets a little bigger, right? And then 90% is the biggest.
99 might get a little bigger. The interval.
99?
Yeah, because you have more data.
I thought it was the opposite, that if you get more confident, the interval gets smaller. Oh, you're right. I was totally off. Yeah.
I think
Okay.
you put like
Sorry.
that you increase the if we want to make it 99% confidence interval, have it really small, then you just have to get a lot of data, which should be a lot skinnier data.
Yeah.
That'd be pain.
Yeah.
You cannot.
Yeah. What? So 99 would be good because it's a bigger. Okay. Yeah, 99 is good. It's broader. I'm on the same page. Sorry, my brain was working backwards, so I was like, well, how confident? Like, thought we were trying to get. Anyway, I was just totally off. 99 sounds good. Then it's gonna be wide enough. That much more confident.
Yeah. It might just depend on how like large an interval. If that really helps you narrow it down to like what it could be.
Yeah.
I guess to see
Yeah. Oh, go
if
ahead.
a percent confidence interval is helpful. It's not that they take it down to 95.
Yeah, that's true. Like, if we find out the confidence interval at 99 is like from 5 until 15, then we can like, all right, let's just lower it a little bit so that we can be more on that.
Mhm.
Okay. That sounds awesome. It's Brandon C, and then um, I'll let you. I mean, I guess yeah, it should be fine, and then I'll let you know what he says.
Mhm.
Okay, awesome. Well, Colby, thank you so much for your help. I hope you have a great night.
Yeah, you too.
And thanks for adjusting. Sorry it was so much later.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Okay. See y'all next
Bye.
week.